This is an automated warehouse with 12 40-pallet storage bins. The lights in the storage area are usually turned off. This is to implement the concept of a lights-out factory for smart manufacturing and energy conservation. After materials are checked and recorded by the warehouse management system, they are fed into the warehouse at the material entrance. Each shuttle vehicle has a load capacity of 650 kilograms. Materials are distributed to storage slots using an average load dispatching approach for shuttle cart. The warehouse layout consists of 2 levels and is equipped with 4 shuttle carts for transport. When a vehicle receives a system notification of a task requirement, it automatically goes to the designated storage slot to transport materials to the buffer area, where they wait for picking. It is equipped with 5 material exits, allowing for an operational speed of 45 pallets per hour for outgoing materials. The automated warehouse not only utilizes vertical space efficiently, but also saves the turning space required by traditional forklifts. Overall space utilization has increased by 60%, and personnel operational efficiency has improved by 25%.